What's up, guys? Aaron's here, and we're gonna check out. Obviously, if you've seen my other post, I have the iPad Pro, 11-inch, very slick, very nice. Got a good deal on it on Amazon Warehouse. Blah blah blah. You can check out the video if you're curious about that. But yeah, obviously we need a case on it. Don't want to scratch it all up because obviously it's pristine condition. We don't want to scratch that all up. So obviously, if you see my other videos, I'm a fan of Otterbox cases. I know Apple, the keyboard case, I'm not a huge, gonna use it probably for keyboard. Probably still gonna grab one. But being in the military, staying in and out of bags, and what I'm gonna be using the iPad for, a lot of taking notes and stuff, I kind of need a rugged case here. So I went ahead and grabbed the iPad Pro Defender rugged protection one for it. I want to give it a shot, see what it looks like, and get it thrown onto the iPad and get a look. So let's do a quick unboxing here of it real quick. And again, it's pretty big, as you can see. You see that the box kind of actually came kind of open. So yeah, so it's definitely, it feels like every other Otterbox is kind of where the pencil goes. Has kind of that attachment piece to it. Let's see if we can snap this off real quick. Okay, so this is kind of the stand. Okay, cool. So you kind of see how there's different configurations here. We'll get into that. But yeah, it's actually pretty slick once you take that off. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It has the screen protector. Obviously, you saw I had the Apple Pencil. So we'll give that a test run here. Cool. But yeah, so pretty slick actually, honestly. I think I paid like $60, 55 or something like that. Grabbed it off Amazon, and cool. But yeah, it's actually pretty slick here. It's just the lighting. It looks a little weird, like dusty or something. But yeah, it's brand new. See, speaker cutouts, the buttons, they're definitely thick. But yeah, if you're some other stuff, so you know what these are like. So cool. Let's go ahead and get this ready to put onto the iPad, and we'll give it some tests. All right, so I went ahead and opened it up just because it's kind of complicated with all these locking pieces and everything. More complicated than the phones. But definitely, we can take a look at everything. There's the little screen saver or screen protector. It's already got a little hair on it. We'll have to wipe that off a little bit here. Don't want that on my stuff. Then a nice little, the outside piece. It's definitely thick. It's definitely, yeah, so let's start putting this on here. So I tried to wipe this iPad best I could. This thing still has a lot of spots on it, but we're just gonna send it here. So we're gonna put the Pro in here. We're gonna work on this bottom, snap it on. Should be, hopefully those are all on the exterior. Make sure this is the right way, actually. It's hard to tell. Yeah, the pencil goes right here on the side, so the pencil's got to snap around it. Yeah, we're starting to hear clicks. I always get scared with these cases, because it's like stuff clicks. You can see where the little iPad pencil attachment goes on here. Definitely looks a little weird. Okay, I'm still clicking. Okie dokie. And we'll put this exterior on. Very reflective here. All right. So again, this is where the pencil hookup is. Ooh. Need to check that out. So, okay, it's starting to all snap in place. And then I'm going to use this for a few days and let you guys, know what I think of it. Because obviously, we can just run quick tests and you guys can see. But, it's better to give it for a few uses and actually see, how's it last day to day with this. So, all right, we are pretty much there. All right, so we're there pretty much. All right, cool. Got some text messages here. My wife. Let me cut out of that. So, all right, cool. So I just typed as you saw, and the pencil seems to work just fine with that. Cool. Gee. Let's see a note real quick. All right, so let's check out the notes here, and it seems to work just fine. So that was me actually, not the you know, obviously I'm just writing quick, not neat, one-handed, kind of getting used to it. So yeah, it works just fine. So can we get the, there it goes. Get purple right, and you see, cool. All right, so yeah, that works just fine. Let's check out this pencil thing real quick though. Cool. So this was kind of tight to pull the thing out, but so you know, it's kind of janky. It's you know, for the pencil to fit in there, so it doesn't really like shut with it or anything. It's just kind of there to hold. And I guess if you're like charging or something, so maybe if you got like just in your bag, you can't really keep the pencil on it, but you know, you can just keep the pencil, you know, maybe off the side or something like that. But cool. So we're gonna use this thing. So let's talk about weight. Yeah, it obviously made it thicker, but it's actually pretty slick. It's pretty slim. You know, yeah, it's a little heavier. The iPad Pro is kind of heavy itself. But you know, it doesn't feel like, oh man, this is bad. You know, it just feels like a durable, nice, good, solid iPad now. Doesn't seem as fragile. So that's good. Good. Yeah, I mean, it's nice. You know, it's not bad. So I'm gonna use it for a few days and let you guys know what I think of it. So stay tuned for that. But that's a quick unboxing and everything like that. So be sure to like, sub, stay tuned for more content. Thanks, guys. All right, and last but not least, let's check out the actual like display stand for the Otterbox here. So you pretty much have 3 different orientations. So this one's probably like my favorite. It's pretty much standing straight up, as you can see. Probably about an 80-degree angle, and then you have like a again, it's easy to touch, it's easy to do this stuff. Cool, right? So the other like landscape mode is you can lay it down more. The cat's going ham on a box, so you kind of see it's definitely a lot flatter. I mean, we're talking, what's that, like a 20? Who knows math, right? 20-degree angle, 25, right? So there's that one. And then the last one is like, if you put it back to this mode, you can also just stand it straight up, which you see we're gonna be a little out of focus here. But yeah, so yeah, I mean, stand straight up. So that's your 3. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. I'm gonna actually use this for a few days, give you guys kind of a review, post it on the website, and then let you guys know fully like what do I think of it. But that's cool, quick orientation of it, and letting you guys see it in the different modes. But again, my favorite is gonna be this way. So while you're working at a desk or something like that, you need to jot a little note or whatever, you can just throw that on there. So cool, pretty cool at first. We'll look into it and see what we think. Thanks, guys. Be sure to like, hit the subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.